dogs, it's a great time right now to get out with your dog before the storms might roll in later on this afternoon.
Yeah, I think we're going to have really limited thunderstorms, but you're right. You don't want to get out there and get caught in a shower that is unexpected, right? We've got the winds too. You probably noticed a little bit of a breeze, and I saw a few more. It was like maybe we could just avoid that for a little while longer. Well, it is happening. Fall is arriving officially tonight, and our days are getting a little bit shorter. So look at 64 degrees for those morning lows today. This is very comfortable and a little bit above normal for this time of the year. We're seeing 59 for your morning low in Burlington. And right now, you've climbed already to 84 degrees in Ronda, 85 North Wilkesboro with 73 in Sparta and 73 in Boone. So we're feeling very comfortable. Noticing, though, that the winds are starting to pick up. We've got that cold front just sitting to the west right now. Gusts up in as high as about 26 miles an hour right now in Blowing Rock area to 15 as we get you into the foothills. So temperatures as we head east are also really nice. We're sitting with temperatures at 84, Reidsville 87 in Burlington to High Point, and you notice 86 popping up in Bermuda Run. So nice on the links today. If you're hitting the golf course or maybe the tennis courts a little later, it's going to be comfortable until we get you into late evening. By about 10 o'clock, you're going to notice those temperatures are really dropping out. So your late evening walk, the last walk for your maybe your pups, you're going to be looking at those temperatures cooling where you're going to need to be grabbing a light jacket or a couple of other layers. You've got those wind gusts too across the Triad, anywhere from 10 to 15 miles an hour, so not bad. The biggest update so far today has been that we have been dropped out of that severe risk area. Now we're going to be on the edge of seeing a few isolated showers and storms this afternoon, early evening. Most of these should be done by 5 o'clock. We're going to see these ramp up as we go through 1, 2 o'clock. We might get some showers and storms to help cool you off. We're going to need it, and that cooler, drier air mass does work its way in for our Friday, so big changes there. But we may see some lower 90s before this front has a chance to really advance and cool you down. So with that, we'll have more of a northwest flow developing behind the front. Ahead of it, it's more of a westerly flow, so that's one of the reasons we're so warm this afternoon. You're going to see those showers and thunderstorms popping here and there between 3 and 4 o'clock. I think our best efforts will be across the southeastern Triad. And then we've got those temperatures at upper 70s by around 5 o'clock. Notice what happens between 9 and 10. You're already down in the 60s, and we drop you all the way into the upper 40s tomorrow morning to low 40s up in the mountains, even some pockets of upper 30s. I know I didn't think I'd be talking about 30s so quickly as we usher in fall, but noticing our next best chance of showers may come in for us on Sunday, and that is it. We are super dry. We are concerned about getting more rain. That may happen from some tropical activity eventually, but take a look at this. 88 degrees yesterday, 79 for that typical high, and it's hot today, but it's also breezy. With those limited storm chances, we are taking those temperatures down into the 50s overnight to upper 40s for some, and we'll see the foothills from breezy conditions where gusts could be as high as 20 miles an hour and taking you with gusts to 25 in the mountains. Chilly overnight, talking some low 40s by tomorrow morning. Here's that cold front. It is stretched out to our west, and it is impacting folks there as a wind comes in, though, and Fiona riding up in between Bermuda and our coast. We're expecting to see much more active weather along the coast. We'll talk more about that and also what this system here could do. This one may become Hermine as we talk about the next named storm potentially this afternoon. Here's that 7-day forecast. Breezy as we get you into your early Friday morning, and then we dry out, cool off for the weekend, and isolated storms on Sunday.